Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing few products that I bought to decorate my home for Valentine's Day, and this is going to be the part 1, and in part 2 I will be showing you in detail how I decorated my living room. So let's just jump right into the video. So here is the first product. It's a cardboard box. It's a gift box which I bought from Etsy Bitsy stores, and I guess it was for 200 something. So this had really cute hearts on it, so I thought I'll use it for Valentine's Day. And this is another gift box which I bought. It has got this really good polka dot on it, so I can use it for any occasion. It's like a neutral shade. This is another product. It's like a door hanger, knob hanger, whatever you want to name it. So this is also from Etsy Bitsy stores. So this is my most favorite one. It is from West Side stores. They have their separate home decor section, so I bought it from there, and it is for 599. It's this really glossy gold finished metal decor, and this one is also from West Side stores. This is a taper candle that has got this golden foil on it, so it is priced for rupees 249, and it is not actually white. It has got this tint of pink on it. So this is also from West Side stores, and it's actually a pillar candle, and I bought it on sale for 199 rupees. I thought I can use this for Valentine's Day decor purpose and also for Christmas, so it matches both the theme. I really love the foil print on it. This is the product that I bought from Home Center. So I've been looking for this golden framed photo frame for a very long time, and it is 499 rupees. It definitely adds a very good touch to your decor. So this is a very pretty blush pink rose, but I was looking for peony flower everywhere, but I did not get one. But this was somewhat similar to it, so I got it from a stall that happened in Chennai Trade Center. Oh, look how pretty this one is. I really love this piece because it is so cute. It says love, a couple on a very cute pink car, and I bought it from Chennai Trade Center again for 400 rupees. I bought these two cute pink saucers for rupees 75 each. Again, this was from a stall. It's melamine, and this is another cute heart designed plate. This is bamboo plate. It is priced for rupees 150. And there's another tray. Well, it's black and white stripes. I love black and white stripes, and also I love hearts. So both together, why not get it? So it is priced for rupees 200, and this is also from another stall. These candle holders are a set of two, so I bought two different sets. So you have the small and the big one in one set. So this is priced for rupees 167. I bought it from Meesho, but the quality is not up to the mark. I expected even more better, but obviously, yeah, for the price you can't expect more. Still, the picture had a glossy golden finished candle holder, but this was a raw matte, and also the paint starts coming out. So yeah, you can use it for decor, but I'm not sure how long it'll last. These tea towels are from my brand Pink Checkers. So if you guys are not aware of it, I own a brand where I sell all home decor related stuffs and also accessories, jewelries and all that. I really want to make a separate video on that regarding my brand, my products and all that. I'll do that separately. The cushion cover is again from the Pink Checkers, and I am sorry I don't have another piece of this because I had only two and I wasn't able to control myself, so I took this for my own use. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys the bracelet that I'm wearing. So this bracelet is from my brand, the Pink Checkers, and it is priced for rupees 275. So I've got all such cute accessories, and if you guys want to have a look at it, I can share my website's link below. You can have a look of all the list of products that I've got. again from my brand Pink Checkers. It is priced for rupees 80 each. So that's it for today's video, guys. There's a part 2 in which I will be showing you guys how I decorated my home with all these products. Don't forget to watch it and stay tuned. See you guys in another one. Bye.